40 to 60 knots with gusts up to 90 knots and seas 20 to 25 feet. Where? Portions of the coastal lakes and bays of the Gulf of Mexico. When? Tropical storm force winds possible from early Wednesday morning until early Thursday morning. Hurricane force winds possible from Wednesday morning until Wednesday afternoon. Impacts. Extremely strong winds will cause adverse seas which will likely capsize or damage vessels and severely reduce visibility. Owners should remain in port, alter course, and or secure the vessel for extreme conditions.